Welcome back to Buy Smart, the place where we take the guesswork out of shopping and add a little steam to your cleaning routine. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown of the century. PurSteam 10-in-1 versus TVD steam cleaner. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop is priced at $99, making it an affordable option for those looking for a budget-friendly cleaning solution. Reviewers appreciate its value, calling it a great purchase for house cleaning on a budget. On the other hand, the TVD steam cleaner comes in at $179, which some users find a bit pricey, but they also mention that its solid build quality and effectiveness can justify the cost. So when it comes to your wallet, PurSteam takes the cake. Next, let's talk cleaning power. The PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing you to quickly tackle messes. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on various surfaces, particularly kitchen floors and grout. Meanwhile, the TVD steam cleaner takes a bit longer to heat up at 8 minutes, but provides a robust 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam, which is great for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Users have praised its impressive power for tough jobs, making it a solid choice for larger cleaning projects. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Just don't steam your cat. Now, let's talk versatility. The PurSteam is like a Swiss Army knife, with its ability to detach and function as a handheld steamer for various tasks, including clothes and upholstery. Reviewers have highlighted its ease of use and multiple attachments. The TVD, however, comes with an astounding 28 accessories, which some users find excessive, but others appreciate for the range of cleaning options it provides. While versatility is key, not everyone needs 28 different brushes. When it comes to ease of use, the PurSteam is lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to glide under furniture. Reviewers have noted its compact design and ease of storage. On the flip side, the TVD, while powerful, features a long power cord and steam hose, which some find cumbersome to manage. A contractor mentioned that while it's great for hard-to-reach spots, it can be a bit of a cleaning adventure. Overall, PurSteam shines in this category for everyday users. Overall, the reviews for PurSteam highlight its affordability, versatility, and ease of use, making it a favored choice for everyday cleaning. In contrast, the TVD steam cleaner is praised for its powerful performance and extensive accessories, appealing to those who need a more robust cleaning solution. Each product has its strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So who's the winner? If you're looking for an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use steam mop, PurSteam is your best friend. But if you want high-pressure steam with a plethora of accessories and don't mind spending a little extra, the TVD steam cleaner might just be your cleaning soulmate. Remember, folks, whether you choose PurSteam or TVD, keep it steamy and keep it clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and happy cleaning.